Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Today we will learn how to mastering in Python within 10 days. So in this scenario, we will learn that what is essential things. Actually, Python is so broad. Okay, so if you want to learn, then you have build your basics. If you already know the Python basics, that's a good. You can start Python. Okay, otherwise, I suggest you that you will first learn the basic, then you will start. Okay, if any guy is interested, then please message me so I can share my content. Okay, let me share my content so you will easily understand what we will learn in this concept. 1 minute, I am sharing my screen. I am sharing my screen. Okay, just hold on. Nobody has come till now, so that I'm thinking what I will what I start from. Let's wait. Somebody has come. Then we will start. Okay, these are 10 points from which you will learn that how mastery Python in 10 days. First day we will learn Python fundamental, just like introduction to Python, setting up the Python and ID, just like a VS Studio and PyCharm. If you want, if you have a software of Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, then you can start from there. Otherwise, you can start from PyCharm. If anybody have another uh, editor, just like Limelight or Visual Studio or any simple Notepad plus plus, anything you can start from there, because currently we are starting the basics. Okay, so I think I'm waiting the guys. Then I will start that. Okay, here is the first. I'm giving the introduction. The first day one, I will introduce about the Python fundamental. In this case, you will learn introduction of the Python and setting up the Python, how to install in your machine, and you will learn about the variable data types, input output, how what are the basics operation in Python. And I will give the introduction in brief, so you will learn so you will remember in future, and if any real time problem will come, then you will solve smoothly, so that when we will start our project, then nobody will face the initial issue. Okay, in day second, we will learn a control flow. Control flow, just like a conditional statement, for loops, and loop control. Okay, control flow, just like that the program is executing from top to bottom. Okay, so in if you are making any program, so there are conditional operator you will be required. In this day 2 we will learn about the conditional statement, like how you can write the if statement, how you will be if else and else and if many condition has come in your program, then how you will that learn it. And of course, loop is also the part of control flow. If you want to solve any problem, suppose you have fetch the data from Excel file, so that time I will to I tell to please display the particular information about the employee, so then you will use loop, and for loop, while loop, anything. And a control statement, just like break and continue and pause, these are the, suppose your loop is going on, you want to break this, so then the break statement will be used. And day 3 we will use function and modules. Function, basically, when your basics will clear. Okay, when your basics will clear, then we will learn the main concept function, because when you build the project, that time you will not write a code, you will not write a long code. You will follow the approach of development, and in future you will know the concept of oops. You will implement the oops concept, so that you can easily write your logic in a class, in a write your business logic in a class, and the class have some functions, just like suppose a imply class, imply, you have built that imply class, but imply has a many activity. Suppose imply have join, then joining will be function. You want to fetch the information about the imply, then you will write the fetch function, fetch information about the imply function, any function you will made. So in that scenario, you will made a function, and in this case we will define how to write a function, how to call the function, in which scenario you will use the function good way. These things I will actually introduce about the function. And argument, guys, just wait. Nobody has not joined today. I don't know why. Okay, not an issue, but we will wait at least 15 minutes. You know that our classes start daily at 5 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. morning. Okay, so in this time many people have joined, but today actually I have started mm, many days after. That's why maybe people have forget the timing of the class. Okay, If anybody have joined, please message me so that I will, you can confirm me you have joined, and you have any question then you can ask me. Okay. Mm, okay, let's complete on, let's go on our topic. Then argument and how the function will pass the argument and return these things I will explain. Importing, creating modules, these are also the part of the our project. This will cover in day 3. Okay, and day 4 I will explain about the structure. Okay, data structure. Actually, Python have provide some data structures like list, tuples, sets, dictionary. These are the data structures of the Python, and you can hold the bulk data in dictionary and a list, and you will um, iterate. If you want to fetch some information from the list, then you will apply the loop and iterate each items. And the second one is a list comprehensive, and I will explain about what are the built-in function and method, and how can you create your own. In previous part day 3, I will explain how can you build a user-defined function according to their project requirement. Okay, and day 5 I will explain about the object oriented programming. Initially I have explained about the you know that any project we can't be possible in modern trend, can't be possible without oops. So in this day 5 I will explain about the class, object, init, self, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. Okay, magic's methods I will explain about this. And day 6 I will explain about the file handling and exception, reading, how you will read and write. Okay, so suppose you have read any bulk data, uh, that data in a CSV file or JSON file, then I will explain how you will read the JSON file, and you will fetch the particular record and display on the screen. And for exception handling I will explain about the try, catch, exception, and finally. And day 7 will, when will come, I will explain about the library, which are inbuilt library in Python, and math, and datetime, OSIS. These are inbuilt library. Okay, and virtual environment, pip, and brief about the third party library I will explain, just like request, pandas, MATLAB. These are the using actually data science. Okay, but suppose you want to call any API, then you will use a library of request, how you will call API. These things I will explain in depth so that you will expert of the Python. If you will regular, if you will regular, then you definitely you will be the expert of the Python. It's a depend on you. Okay guys, and day 8 I will explain about automation and scripting. Automation, automating, automating file task, just like suppose you want to send a mail automatically, and a web request, API basics, and simple scheduler, how you will create a scheduler in Python. These things I will explain about that. And day 9 I will explain about the real project building, how you can build any project. Build a first mini project, just like a to do app, whether app using API, contact book, and file organization script. These are the basic project. And then the final I will prepare with you in a long project, just like I you will build any web application, or just like an okri.com, or Flipkart or Amazon.com, you can build any project. I will explain in depth so that you can build individually. And final review, I will explain about the interview question and certificate, what the certification are required, and what are the best practice, and recap. I will provide a top 20 top 20. I have just written that, but I will provide a 200 2000 question about yeah, interview question about the Python, and I will advise career advice for you. Currently nobody has a join, I don't know about that. Let's guys, I will request you can support me, and so that I will goes on my classes. You can like and subscribe me. Today is after long time I have come in live, but nobody has joined till now. I don't know about that. Where is a guy? So you can, I request to you, if you want to learn the Python in depth, so then I will suggest please like and subscribe my channel. Nobody has come. I don't know why the people is not coming. I am explaining about the basically what is a Python. In basic term, I will explain about what is the Python. Python is a programming language. Okay, in this language you can build any web API, web app. Even this language is easy to learn, and anybody can learn and want to start their own project. Many data science projects has built in Python, and because the Python have provide many library. Okay guys, nobody has come till now, so I decided to close the session today. So next day I will start I will continue at the same time, so that people will come. Okay guys, thank you guys. For better support you can like and subscribe my channel. Bye.